See yo family, what going on? It's your boy Flame Panisa. Yep, that's correct. Any others come to feed. Don't forget, yo family, I start this wave journey. That's why I went this year. So I cut off my fro. Everybody know that I had a fro. I cut that off. And I start this wave journey. I start around January 1st. I would say that's when I actually start brushing and moisturizing and greasing and all that kind of stuff. And taking care of my hair. I got my hair cut like the 19th or the 20th of December 2019, and I didn't really brush nor do rag nor grease nor nang really until January 1st. You understand? So I would say my journey start January 1st. So from January 1st up till the end of January, which is January 31st, I was brushing, putting in our brush work, making sure that I get my pattern started, and I cut my hair February 1st. You understand? So you will see that in this video. But before we do, I'm gonna show you guys the wash and style that I did before I cut my hair on February 1st. So I wash and style the last day of January, which is 31st. Then I went and cut my hair on the 1st. So stay tuned. In this video, at the end of that, I'm going to be showing you guys some tips to help you cut your hair yourself. The best tip that you could ever have before starting to cut your hair yourself. If you do like this video, leave a like on it, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more, and yeah, and the clips roll.
Play a fun.
So yeah family, this is what my hair looking like before the wash and style. I know the camera, like my camera angles was poor on this video and I didn't realize till afterwards, but we can better that. In future videos we can make sure that we better that. Anyways, that's what the head looking like. So we can prepare for the wash and style. First step, add some shampoo. This shampoo will get rid of all the grime, all the dirt, all the flakes, whatever you got on your head. This first wash can get rid of. So you gotta make sure that you add enough shampoo in your head to get a good thorough clean. As you can see here, I'm going with the grain of my hair because my hair is still in training, so I want to make sure that my hair remembers to grow in a certain pattern, which is forward from the crown. So as you can see right here, I'm adding more shampoo, making sure that I get a nice first clean in my hair, and then after this I will get in a nice brush session. It's always advisable when you're trying to attain waves to use a mirror. You must use a mirror. Mirror brushing is important, very important, one of the most important things. So when you do your wash and style, make sure you use a mirror. Right now I'm just brushing out all the dirt and the grime and whatever else in my hair, all the old grease and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, that's basically what it is. This is your first wash. You gotta do this every time you put shampoo in your hair when you're doing this wash and style. So this is the second time. As you can see, the shampoo is lathering up a whole lot better than the first. That means that the first time I had a good clean. So this is just to solidify the fact that my hair is clean. Make sure that your hair is clean. So always do it 2 times. I'm always getting a second brush session. So right now I'm going all around my head, starting from the top. Then from the top I can move to the sides. Then from the sides I can move to the back. And I can make sure I'm getting some crown work as well. So I can brush from my crown all the way to my hairline, not missing a spot. And that's what you gotta do. Always make sure that you're using a mirror. Always use a mirror. I was lagging there a bit. I was slacking. I was blind brushing, but as you see, I realized that I needed my mirror and I use the mirror. That ensures that your brush strokes are consistent and precise with the pattern that you want. So after that, you can add in some conditioner to help condition my hair. Add in a good amount to be generous with it. Be generous with the amount that you put in. and make sure that you get a good amount inside there. Keep your hair moisturized. After that, I'm gonna do another brush session all around the head again. Front, sides, back, crown, every single time. So at this point, you should have had 3 brush sessions in. So after that, put on the do-rag and leave in the conditioner for a little bit. So at this point, what I did was to rag up, then I went and hold it fresh. After I hold it fresh, then I wash out or rinse out the conditioner out of my hair with some cold water, which will help to give my hair some shine. Cold water helps give your hair shine. So that's why I use cold water. Hot water helps open up your pores. Cold water helps close it and give shine to your hair. So this is the haircut day. This is the next day.
You working?
Yeah. So yeah, people, wash my hair on Friday and cut it on Saturday, February 1st. So the first step is to lift the hair off your head. That's what you want to do first before you cut. Lift the hair off your head. So I can just do that by combing all the way around. But I ain't gonna bore you with all that stuff. Make sure you get all around. And after that, just brush it down with a soft brush lightly, because you don't want to compact the hair again. Otherwise, what was the point of lifting it in the first place?
I can already see we can got some issues here with recording this, because right now I a bit far away from the second mirror and I'm about messing up my head.
So yeah, at this point I had cut the crown with a 2 fully open and then an inch from the crown at a 2. At this point I did a 1 fully open, not 1, a 1.5 fully open all the way down to my hairline, and then I did a fade, as you can see me highlighting there, at the sides, at the back. That's actually a taper, but anyways, it is what it is. And at the sides, so I went 2 fully open on the crown and all the way to 1.5 close on the hairline. So as you can see here, this is right after I gave myself a roundup. Roundup looking a bit jagged though, like a bride knife, but I opted for a safe roundup rather than a sharp one. I didn't really want to go in and take back my hairline a little bit, so I just went around the edges and do a little tidy up, you know what I mean, a little clean up. So this is what my hair looking like right after the haircut, basically. Pretty decent haircut, ain't too fancy, nice fade, everything.
So yeah, people, the moment that you've been waiting for. Tips on how you can cut your hair yourself and not be afraid. No, the best advice I will have for this is to practice with a brush. So yeah, practice with a brush. It's best to practice with a brush, preferably a brush like this. You understand? One of these small handle-less brushes. So what you want to do, right, is hold this brush the way you will hold the machine. You understand? Something like this. You see that? You want to hold the brush like this. No. Once you got that covered, practice in a mirror. And what you can practice doing is holding the brush / machine and feeling out the front of your head. Now, for the front, you gotta hold it different. I was gonna start with the back at first, but nah, I can start with the front. So, you got your mirror in front of you, right? Pretend this is the big mirror in the bathroom, right? Boom. You got this mirror in front of you. Then, you can go around your head at the front like this.
Understand? And just brush the edges of your hair. Brush the edges and get comfortable knowing where you want to brush and brushing that exact spot. For these vertical bars, you want to like hold the brush a little bit different. So like turn your hand like this, turn your head and brush that vertical bar forward like this, just like you would do the machine, and get comfortable with that. But just brush the edge of your head. You understand? Get comfortable. And once you get comfortable, you can start pretending that you got the machine in your hand. I'm brushing the vertical bars. Sometimes it's gotta use the left hand for the next one, for the right side. So you just brush like that. Just brush the edge. Just like that, and get comfortable with it. This will build you confidence in knowing where the machine going, so that you don't gotta worry about carrying back your hairline. You understand? So once you get comfortable with that, then you can want to do the seat. Now, just practice again the same way, using the brush and brushing the edges of that there. So you can basically do that for the entire part around the front of your head. When you get the machine, I can tell when I like how to use the machine in a different video, but I just want to get accustomed to using the brush on the edges of your head first. You understand? Boom. The back is the tricky part. But the trick I got for the tricky part is this. Alright people, we here. Now, this will help you gain confidence. So we're using the brush again, right? So what you want to understand about the mirrors is that the person you see directly in the mirror in front of you is not you. Understand? The person that you see in the mirror reflected from this mirror. So the person that you see in this mirror here, which is the one behind you, is actually you. That means that if you raise your right hand, the person in that mirror behind you, they raise their right hand. If you push it up, that hand can go up. If you bring it down, that hand can go left, right, you get the vibe. Your hand can go up. If you bring it down, hand can go down. You get the gist. You get the drift. And once you play with it and think about it like that, you will get good at doing the back. And to be honest, after you fade the back of your head, you only really do these straight lines right here, so you ain't got nothing to worry about. Just make sure that when you're doing your actual lineup with the machine, that you're close enough to the mirror that you can see what you're doing. And obviously you have a clean mirror and good lighting, and you'll be good. And always take your time. First time around, always take your time. Make sure that you're not in a rush to do anything. You understand? You gotta take your time. That way, obviously, you got a lesser chance of messing up your head. Zooming. Anyway people, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, leave a like on it. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of this stuff. Share the fun with your friends. It's me, your boy Flake. I will see you later, family. Megan Link. Peace.